Good day, viewers. You're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to get to work table of test blueprints. Here is a table below. We are given knowledge for 25%, compression 20%, application 10%, analysis 15%, synthesis 20%, evaluation 10%, and our total here is 200. How do we calculate it? Firstly, we have to get this 25% of 200. 25% of 200. Now let's start. Total is 200, so that is 25 over 100 times 200. This 0 cancel this 0. That means we have 50. That would be our answer for knowledge. We're going to write it under here, 50. Now the next one will be compression. Compression will be 20%. 20% of 200. That means 20 over 100 times 200. This, we cancel this. We're going to have 40. So we'll write it here, 40. The next one will be application. Application is 10% of 200. 10 over 100 times 200, which is, this cancel this, 20. So our total on the application will be 20. For analysis, 15% of 200, which is 15 over 100 times 200. This cancel this. We're going to have 30. So we have 30 under the total. The next one is synthesis. Remember, we got under compression is also 20%. So when we work synthesis, we're going to get the same answer because they are both 20%. So our compression is 40. Therefore, this should be 40. Our evaluation is 10%. Remember our application to be 10%. So answer we got for application will go for this. Our application is 20. So answer for this is 20. By the time you had 50 plus 40 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 220, you're going to get 200. Now we've gotten this total here. The next thing will be, what are we going to write under knowledge? For A, content B, under knowledge. To get it, it's simple. It will be 20% of our total here, down here. Our total is 50. So you're going to say A is 20% of 50, which will give us the 0 cancel 0 is 0 cancel 0. That is 10. So we're going to write 10 here. It's still under knowledge. Now for B, our B is 10%. 10% of 50. Don't make mistake of using 200. We are done with 200. We are using 50 for knowledge, 40 for compression. Now, is 0 cancel 0? Is 0 cancel 0? So our B is 5. Our C is 30. 30% of 50. Is 0 cancel 0? Is 0 cancel 0? Our C is 15. You're going to repeat for the same method, the calculation. Under D, you're going to say 20% of 50. We're going to get 10. 20% of 50. We're going to get 10. Now, we're going to compression. Our A is 20%. 20% of 40. That means 20 over 100 times 40. Is 0 cancel 0? Is 0 cancel 0? That is 8. 8. For B, it will be 10% of 40. 1040. That is 4. You're going to repeat the same method for others. Do you get it now? If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. After you have gotten the whole, you're going to repeat the same process used for knowledge. Same thing under comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis. Remember, 20% of this total for under knowledge throughout. For A, now 20% for under comprehension will be 20% of 40. Under application, 20% of 20. 20% of 30 for under analysis. That's what give us this. 20% of 40 under synthesis. 20% of 20 under evaluation will give you this. Now, total 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 is going to give us 40. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 will give us 20. 15 plus 12 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 6 will give us 60. 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 will give us 40. 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 will give us 40. By the time you had 40 plus 20 plus 60 plus 40 plus 40 will give you 200. 50 plus 40 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 20 will give you 200. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, drop it under the comment section. Thank you.